Welcome back to Quick Assist. If your MacBook only has a USB-C port and you're wondering how to connect an external hard drive like this with a USB-A plug, this is how you do it. So as you'll notice, like in the new MacBooks, even this one, this is like a 2018, it only had a USB-C and an audio jack. And so even with this one, these newer ones, this is an M2, it doesn't have a USB-A. So what you're going to need is an adapter. Now there's single use, like single cartridge, like where adapters was just for one plug, but I chose to get a multi-function one, and this one allows for two USB-A plugins plus a USB-C. It has a SD and a micro SD as well as a HDMI plug. So what we're going to want to do is just get your external hard drive and then go ahead and plug it in. Oh, let's make sure that's on the right side. Okay, there we go. And then we just plug it in here. So then you'll notice that it should pop up. Sometimes these take a little bit of time. There's a Toshiba. And once it does, it starts running, it will usually pop up right there. Make sure you're in the Finder as well and not on an app. So these external hard drives do take a little bit of time.